Hello everyone, welcome to day 4 of our lesson, Speak English in a Better Way, in just 10 days. By following some conditions, you also get a chance to take free spoken English classes with me for 1 month. If you haven't gone through earlier lessons of this exercise, so I would suggest you to first look into it before you start with this lesson. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe my channel. So all you need to do is follow these 4 simple steps to speak English in a better way. Please go through these instructions carefully, and if you have any confusion, then please refer to the first part or leave a comment below. Remember that you have to follow this exercise for 10 complete days for better command on your English spoken. So let's begin. Pause the video and read the passage carefully and record it to complete first step successfully. After you have recorded your audio, it's time for you to listen my audio. So here's my audio.
Knowing how you feel is the first step towards taking control of your emotions. Feelings manifest as physical sensations in your body, not as an idea in your mind. Perhaps the reason the word feel is so often overused or misused is because we don't want to talk about our emotions. How you feel determines the quality of your life. Your emotions can make your life miserable or truly magical. That's why they are among the most essential things on which to focus. Your emotions color all your experience. When you feel good, everything seems, feels, or tastes better. You also think better thoughts. Your energy levels are higher and possibilities seem limitless. Conversely, when you feel depressed, everything seems dull. You have little energy and you become unmotivated. You feel stuck in a place mentally and physically you don't want to be, and the future looks gloomy. Your emotions can also act as a powerful guide. They can tell you something is wrong and allow you to make changes in your life. As such, they may be among the most powerful personal growth tools you have. Sadly, neither your teachers nor your parents taught you how emotions work or how to control them. I find it ironic that just about anything comes with a how-to manual, while your mind doesn't. You have never received an instruction manual to teach you how your mind works and how to use it to better manage your emotions. Have you?
Listening my audio, listen to yours as well. Repeat this listening exercise for 3, 5 or 7 times depending on your level of understanding. Now it's time for you to record your audio again and make a comparison between your first audio and the audio that you recorded right now. Follow this exercise for 10 complete days to improve your spoken English. Now coming to the giveaway conditions. These are some conditions that you need to follow to get free 1 month spoken English classes with me. Read them carefully, and if you have any confusion, leave a comment below. Results will be announced on 9th of August. Classes for the selected candidates will begin from 10th August. So this was all about our today's lesson. Do let us know if you liked this video in the comments below. If the video was helpful, please like it and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.